हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कुल्हड़ में चाय पीना हम सबको पसंद है, so why not reuse them to decorate our homes? Let's get started. First, I have taken 5 kulhads and made a hole in the top center of each one using a pointed object. Next, we will make faces for our figures using silver aluminium foil. Cut 5 small pieces of the foil and shape them into balls to make the faces. We will be using molding clay, जो आपको किसी भी स्टेशनरी शॉप पे इजीली मिल जाएगी. Take a small portion of the clay and flatten it. Then paste it on the balls to make the head of the figures. Take another portion of the clay and make a long strip to create the dupatta for the lady. Similarly, make a long strip to create the turban of the man. Repeat this process for all the figures. Make holes in the faces to insert the thread. Now it's time to start coloring. First, apply a white coat to the matkas, then the color of your choice to give them a bright look. You can decorate it in any style you want. Then color the faces and create eyes, mustaches, lips and hairs for each figure. Then take a thread and insert bells in it. Insert the kulhad, then the face and tie a knot. Repeat this process for all the kulhads. Finally, take a twig from a tree and tie the kulhads to it. And there you have it. Your unique couple wall hanging is now ready. Do give it a try and share your experience with me. Please hit the like button if you find the video useful and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.